welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I got my hands on the PUR X RawBeautyKristi pigment palette. It's right here, you guys. I literally haven't even looked at it like myself. I just grabbed it right now out of the little bubble wrap. I'm so excited. I will tell you all the details in this video. If you're new around here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. My name is Jackie. If you enjoy the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you'd like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And also, I promise it gets better as the video goes on, kind of, maybe. Anyway, you guys, let's get into the video. I'm too excited. Okay, you guys, so if you guys were there on launch day trying to get your hands on, trust me, I was right there with you up to over 3.5 hours. I don't even know how or what or where, but one of the transactions just went through, and at the end of the day, I actually ended up getting double of everything because that's just what ended up on my cart. So I was like, I don't even care what's in the cart. I didn't even want to edit the cart. You guys know it was such a big headache, and I feel so bad for Kristi because I know that it's not her fault. I know she really couldn't do anything about it, and I felt so bad. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to let you know that I was right there with you, and it was a lot. Anyway, you guys, so first I'm going to go ahead and zoom it in and show you the packaging on the outside, let you know a little bit more information about this as I'm showing you, and yeah, let's get into it. So this is the outside packaging. As you can see, she has her beautiful drawings. You guys, she drew these herself, which is pretty amazing, and every picture is something meaningful to her or in her life, like her husband, like her little kitty that passed away, so on and so forth. You guys can get more information on the pictures through either her video or also on PUR's website. So the back of the palette looks like this. It shows you swatches of basically what would be inside, and then also a picture of Kristi, of course, and right here just tells you a little bit about Kristi and a little bit about the palette, and down at the bottom you have your ingredients. So as we're getting into the palette, this is the actual palette. As you can see, it mimics the same design that's on the carton. Also, something to note, that the sides that show the name are both different. So you have a rose gold finish for the neutral side, and then you have the holographic finish for the colorful side. That way it's super easy for you to determine what side you're on. So as you can see here, once you open it up, you have a rainbow going on, and right in the center you have a shimmer shade and the white down at the corner. This can be used to brighten up any shade. It could be used by itself. I think it's kind of nice to have a white instead of a black. Honestly, most of the blacks don't even work. On the flip side, you have your neutrals, but they're not like boring neutrals, which I love. I love yellows and oranges that have kind of like a little bit of depth into them. I don't know, I really do love this. And then you still have a little bit of color. Again, neutrals, colors, that's the whole vibe. And I think she did a good job of making the colorful side colorful but not exaggerating colorful, and then making the neutral side neutral but not like boring. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so now we go into the lashes. So as you can see here, the finish is the rose gold. These are the style Lovely, and these are the more simple style, or like the toned down style, I guess you can say. They are on a clear band, but you can see they're nice and wispy. And again, you have the rose gold background, so you can determine which ones they are. And then same thing, holographic for the more dramatic ones. These are Can't Be Bothered. And you have the little holographic background. They are still very wispy and to me very wearable, but yes, they are more dramatic. I also quickly do want to point out that PUR did send a 25% off coupon saying sorry for, you know, everything that happened and everything Kristi had to deal with. And they also sent me this on point eyeliner in the shade Down to Earth. So maybe we shall try that out at a different time. Now, as I did mention, I ended up checking out with 7 items in my cart. So I did get a whole nother set of lashes, and I also received another palette. So that being said, I was going to go ahead and hold these off for a later time, but I'm just going to go ahead and give them away now in this video. So if you are interested in entering the giveaway, I will leave all the information down below in the description. Make sure you read the description thoroughly, please, and make sure you follow the steps. They're always super easy and simple, but sometimes people forget one or the other, and then you automatically don't get entered. So I hope you're excited, and at the end of this video, go ahead and check the description and see how you can enter to win this beautiful collection. And yeah, guys, let me zoom you in and let's get started on the eye look. Okay, you guys, so staying true to the having a wild side and having a more relaxed side, I'm going to go in and I'm going to create the same eye look. I'm just going to create it with the colored pressed pigment side and then the neutral pressed pigment side. So you will have the same look just with both sides. So we're going to get right into it. I will pop on the screen exactly what shade I'm using. And for the first shade, I'm going to go right into the Morphe M504. And I did prime my eye. I didn't set it, so I kind of stamped on the shade a little bit and then started blending. Again, that is probably the best way to use these, a little stamp and blend. And I'm just working slowly, still kind of working in circular motions, just not making them so wide. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Am I Orange, and if you guys have been following me for a long time, I was actually super excited to see the Am I Orange in this palette, because if you guys watch Kristi as well, you guys know that she goes orange all the time, and so do I, and it is annoying, and I really thought it was my lighting, but I really feel like it's my camera. It just happens. And I'm sure it'll happen in this video. It never fails. So now I'm going to go in with a smaller, denser brush. This is the Morphe M330. And now we're getting into the red shade. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of my concealer and we're going to go in and we're going to cut the crease. I'm only going to do a half moon shape, and I'm just using the Morphe M167. So once I have that crease cut, I'm just going to go right into the yellow. And I'm just packing it on. This is a Sephora Precision Shadow Brush. And then I'm going to go back into Am I Orange. And I'm going to kind of put this right in the center here. Just basically deepening up the end here with a little bit more red. And now I'm just going to take this little e.l.f. brush and I'm going into Luminous, and we're going to pop that right over here as our brow bone highlight, and I'm just going to kind of blend that through. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I finished that up. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do the neutral side now. I'm going to just pop on the screen what shades I'm using, but I'm going to do the exact same technique, just replacing the shades. I did clean this up kind of high. Honestly, it was an accident, but I am going to like really smoke out the bottom waterline, so it won't be so clean and high later. We'll just ignore that for now. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do this side, and then I'll just be popping up on the screen the shades that I'm using, but flipping it over to the neutral side. guys, so I went ahead and I showed you the look up close. I hope that you like it. I do want to add, these are not the lashes that are in the collection. These are the Wispy Intense lashes by Allure. They're pre-glued lashes. The reason that I didn't pop on the ones in the collection is because I want to save mine as a keepsake, so I will be saving mine. And I didn't want to open one of the other ones because I just felt better giving them away to you guys. So these lashes are not part of the collection, but I hope that you enjoyed the look. There are small details that are a little different, like a more dramatic, longer wing, things like that. I did end up mixing just a little bit. This is the shade Cafe Disco, and that's from the colorful side. And then this one is the Golden Ticket from the neutral side. I just felt like it would give it a little bit more of a balance because I did put the shimmery shade here, so I just wanted to balance that out. But yeah, you guys, I actually really loved it. And there's nothing really bad about the palette. You guys, I was gonna say maybe the one con is gonna be the palette finish. The little powder kind of sticks to it and stuff, like my finishing powder kind of got on it. But you guys can wipe it off and it looks brand new. So there's literally nothing from this palette, from the packaging, that I can complain about. So again, if you want to enter my giveaway, I'm giving away a palette and both of the lashes brand new for you. But yeah guys, that is everything from me. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed the looks. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!